Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off audio on FIFA game. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the settings icon in the top right corner. Here you can see a pencil icon in the audio option. Tap on it. Now in this page, you'll have to move the circles of all of the options in the left hand side of your screen. And that is how you can turn off audio on FIFA game. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.